As it becomes more and more popular, the sanitary equipments, sanitation work develops in a way of more and more mechanized and intelligent way. Qunfeng machinery who insists on the principles of practicability, simplicity and efficiency launched MQF 5181 TXST5 sweeping truck, which is one new sanitation vehicle integrating functions like sweeping, clean, flushing, spraying and dust suppression etc. in one, and injected fresh momentum into the market. High water pressure, fast sweeping and cleaning. Big disc brush, high capacity, combined with imported high-pressure water pump. Exclusive high-pressure centrifugal fan and suction system of mechanical pattern suspension structure to achieve high water pressure and high garbage collection efficiency. Cleans up a maximum 99% of garbage. Make it powerful and capable to remove difficult waste without effort. Coming with coil of 50-meter hose that could connect with portable spray lens and spray gun. Easy to move to extend working range or clean specific spot. Convenient and effective. Powerful ejector of a maximum capacity of 24-meter wide coverage and maximum water flow. Large storage capacity to reduce second pollution. Water tanks of a capacity of 10 square meters, sufficient enough for cleaning 50 km continuously. And the garbage container of a capacity of 7 square meters, sufficient enough for storage of leaves, gravel, and dirt, etc. Both are made from 304 stainless steel features heat resistant, anti-rust and anti-corrosion. Extends service life as a result. There are sensors in the container which give out alarms when it's about to finish and tips the container to discharge and clean it automatically. Detect automatically high-lower water level and stop automatically when the switch is about to reach the presupposed limit in case of overflow. Alert automatically on exhaustion of water, thereby to avoid damage of water pump. Intelligent operation, simple and convenient. Adoption of intelligent control system that could adjust the rotation speed of engine automatically and reduce fuel consumption. More eco-friendly. Integrated simple touch panel control and button control allow fulfillment of all tasks in the cabinet besides spray gun. Different modes. All cleaning sweeping, left-right cleaning sweeping are available to choose and combine at will with parameters modifiable anytime, offering a more convenient and efficient working environment. Dust suppression to guarantee refresh air. This truck is not only designed to wash, sweep, clean, flush, etc., but also to spray to suppress the dust. High pressure, extreme power, large atomized particles, remarkable effective humidifying and suppressing dust. Fashion-forward design, green and beauteous homestand. Introduced Germany advanced design concept. An aesthetic combination of design and mechanics presents a gorgeous and appealing look. Technology originates from life. Qunfeng MQF 5181 TXST5 sweeping truck combines intelligence technology with life, offers a more comfortable working environment for sanitation works. Is a prevalent choice for sanitation work.